Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook tandoori chicken. I don't currently own a tandoor, but I do have plans to make my own down the track. I'll make sure to make a video showcasing how it's done. So for the time being, this is the best alternative. To start, you'll need some skinless chicken drum and thighs. Cut into the sides. Then cut through the tendons at the base of the drumstick. This will help the tandoori sauce penetrate the chicken. Add to a bowl. For a first marinade, season with salt. Then half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, then mix it through the chicken. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now to make the sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, next half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika for some extra colour. Mix it all together. Finally, the juice of half a lime. Mix it through the sauce. Pour over the chicken pieces and mix them through. Cover with cling wrap and leave it to marinate for 1 hour or even better, overnight. Set up the barbecue for indirect grilling. I'm using clean heat charcoal. You want to get this barbecue as hot as you can. It's never going to be as hot as a tandoor, but you can certainly try. I've added some apple wood from SA Barbecue Woods. I got the barbecue up to about 430 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Place the chicken opposite the charcoal. Cover with the lid and cook for 25 minutes. These are cooked through, but they need one more thing. Move the chicken directly over the charcoal and sear on both sides, giving the chicken a little extra flavour. Remove and serve with coconut rice and garnish with coriander. There you have it, tandoori chicken. This is the closest you'll get without a tandoor. The rich and hot flavour of the sauce makes this chicken one of my favourites. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.